IDFPR, and I want to share with you, and actually why realtors lose and don't lose licenses, because they've been sued sometimes for no reason. This is good information for you consumers, because you want to check your realtor, and it's really free to check them at IDFPR.
And I remembered.
Yes.
You're from Bosnia.
And I'm and I'm from Bosnia. And remember, I have a scratchy voice because I had a party last night.
That's right.
And don't mind me for that. So anyways, I want to give you some, like a Kansas federal court, a verdict for one of the license for 85% because his buyer transferred the purchase money to fake accounts. So what happened, there's a lot of wire fraud going on. And we talked this previously in the shows, and one of the realtors forwarded wire information to his clients, which he never checked. His clients wired the money to that account, and the money was lost. So we as a realtors...
Wow. We need Michael Barrett, a real estate attorney.
If we send our email to our clients, we have to check this wire information before we do that, because they are relying on our information. And this Kansas court actually did a verdict to the realtor to pay 85% of the funds.
Really?
To the buyers of the money they lost, because it was his fault. So yes, but I would recommend not to trust. Even if we do this, I would always call the title company. Call the title company.
I mean, people have to be sick almost to the point of you just don't want to live the rest of your life, because you put $100,000 of your hard-earned money, and you put it you're having it wired to closing for the down payment. It never gets there, and you'll never get it back.
It's big liability for us as a realtor.
Oh my gosh,
huge liability. But we have to check, especially when you're working with such big amounts of money. This is life savings. So another one, California court. The listing broker was not liable for injuries suffered by potential purchaser when he fell into empty pool on property, and the broker did not have a duty to warn him that standing over empty pool on diving board posed a risk of injury because of the danger was open and obvious.
So people ask me, Randy, I've got a swimming pool in the backyard. How much is it contributing to the appraised value of my home? Typically in the Midwest, zero, because like you said, it's a huge liability.
So if I come and stand in your pool and I go on a diving board and I fall in, it's my fault, right?
That's like Wile E. Coyote. Just you don't look down and you don't fall, I think.
Yes.
Yep. So if that were to happen, you would not lose your license as a realtor.
Yes. So also very interesting information I wanted to share is the prior murder is not a material defect. So Pennsylvania. Okay, this is also from National Association of Realtors. I pulled this out, interesting. Highest court rules that earlier owners' murder-suicide on the property did not need to be disclosed. So if you're Dexter, no worries. You can still sell your house. Just make sure it's cleaned really well.